Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WinRAR for unzipping large downloads step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.win-rar.com and press enter. Once the WinRAR homepage loads, look for the download section. Click on the download button. You will see different versions for various operating systems. Choose the version suitable for your operating system, most commonly, Windows. After selecting the version, a download link will appear. Click on the download link to start downloading the setup file. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file in your computer's designated Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded WinRAR setup file to start the installation process. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installation to continue. The WinRAR Setup Wizard will open. Click Install on the Setup Wizard to begin the installation. Choose your preferred options in the Setup Wizard, then click OK. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is successful, click Done to exit the Setup Wizard. To ensure WinRAR is ready for use, locate it in your Start menu or desktop. Now, you can open WinRAR and use it to unzip any large downloads you have. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.